Hey guys, welcome back. In the prior episode, a couple weeks ago, we had this kind of collar, a stainless collar, break off of the chain. This is the high drive system for the Pelican kayak. Now, good news is we fixed this, and this seems to be holding. But in the attempt to kind of fuse the collar over the cable, we set the amperage too high on the welder and ended up burning it out. And as you could kind of tell, like, we have a glob of metal right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of drill a pilot hole that's sort of in the center. We grounded this a little bit to kind of get a flush surface. We're going to like bore a starter hole and kind of meld these two together and re-weld these two parts together, so that way, yeah, we can recycle it. Now we don't need to, because Pelican thankfully sent a brand new part, so we are water ready and water bound. But I just hate to see things go to waste, so we're gonna fix this.